Today we have a 2005 Kia SKT 15 LMS with a Fanuc 0 ITB control. The machine has two collet chucks, one on the main, a 16C on the main and a 5C on the sub. Live tool, full C axis on the main. Right now the spindle is running at 1000 RPM. (2000 RPM on the main. That is 3000 RPM. (3750 RPM). All right, now what are we doing now? C axis on the main. Machine also has a tool setter. Okay. And a parts catcher. We have two live tools mounted to the turret. Machine will come with the other static holders as well. It's the rotary tool at 1000. It's 2000 RPM. All right. All right. The B axis. Now we're going to run the sub. That's 500. 1500. 2500. That's 3500. All right, can you pull up the hours? Machine hours. Okay, you can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.